So let's see how the waffle looks now. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this candy Lego waffle maker. So on this video is going to be a product overview, and I'll show you how this product works, and then at the end I'll give my overall feedback. So let's get into it. So this is how the candy Lego waffle maker looks. You have a rubber handle here to lift it and to carry it. You have your heat settings, your timer. You have different trays for sandwiches. This is like a frying tray, and then here's your sandwich tray. Then here's a hand to open it. And this is how the inside looks. So when you make your waffles, they will look like Lego pieces that are put together. It's very cool. And then on the back, you have a place to wrap your cord when you're not using it. So it is recommended by the manufacturer to let it heat up for about 5 to 8 minutes the first time you use it, just to get rid of any residue and oils. If you want to change out the plates, all you do, you push down these buttons, it lifts up, and then you insert like so, and it pushes in place. So it's very easy to set up. So this is how the heating element looks from the bottom and the top. So it covers the majority of the whole surface. So the waffles will heat up evenly, and even when you make sandwiches also. So I already preheated the griddle. So I'm gonna put my waffle / pancake mix inside. So you just pour it through. So once you have all the cavities filled up with your pancake or waffle mix, then you lower it, push it down, and then you set the timer for like 7 minutes. And now it's gonna start cooking. The good thing about this waffle maker is that even when it's cooking, this handle has 5 different notches, so you could check to see how the waffle is cooking while the heating elements are still on. I still have 3 minutes left on the timer, so let me lift this up a little bit just to see how it's looking. So you can see how it's kind of looking good. So after 7 minutes of cooking on medium heat, so let's see how the waffle looks now. So it's very easy to take out. Okay, so this is great for kids to eat, and they eat it with their fingers, and they like playing with Legos, and they can stack it at the same time while they're eating. So once you're finished using it, you're gonna wrap up the cord on the back. You're gonna wrap the cord. And then it has a convenient clip here to hold the plug in place. And then you bring it to the sink, and you just unclip here, and you just shake it off. You could use a light cloth, and then you could just wash it with a mild soap and water, and you do the same thing to the top. Wait until the pans cool off a little bit, and then you're pretty much done with the cleaning process. So it's very easy to clean also. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Lego waffle maker. I like how easy it is to use. I like how detailed that the griddle pans are. I like how the controls has a separate control for the heat and your timer. I also like how it's easy once the waffles are done that the waffles come out. And I also like how it comes with 2 different sets of pans that you can either make paninis or different sandwiches, and even use this as a frying pan. This is a great gift idea for Lego lovers and waffle lovers combined. And I like how the product looks. It looks very cool and stylish, and this is a great buy. Thanks for watching.